In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the front bumper cover. Let's get started. With the hood open from the top, we're going to have to remove this plastic cover that covers the front of the bumper. So you can take a trim tool like this and simply remove all of these push clips that hold it in all along front, back, side to side. Now you can lift this up and set it out of the way. Next to each headlight, you'll see another one of those push clips. Go ahead and remove these also. One on each side, drivers and passengers. Along the front, you will also see some Phillips head screws that all have to be removed using a Phillips head screwdriver. Perfect, this is free now. Looking at each fender well, you'll notice several Phillips head screws all along the front that all have to be removed so we can pull the fender liner away so that we can pull the bumper away. Now you can pull the fender liner out and remove this trim piece. Not completely, just off of the bumper cover. It's really difficult to show you, but in here there is a 7mm bolt or screw that holds the bumper cover to the fender. You're gonna have to remove that. It's basically right here where the two meet together. Okay, there it is. Pull the bumper cover off on this side. There we go. Now pull this apart, reach in here. You'll see the fog light connector. Go ahead and unplug the fog light bulbs on both sides. Looking from underneath, you'll see several fasteners. Remove them all. Now with everything disconnected, you can easily grab the bumper cover, wiggle it, and slide it straight out. Take your bumper cover, slide it right back on, but of course be careful of your fenders and your headlights. What I'm actually going to do now is put the top screws back in so that it can stay in here and be secured. Since we're here, we might as well put this shield on, or the cover. Now right here on the side by the fender, line up the bumper cover and press it in. Should want to fall into place perfectly. On the side here, let's put in the 7mm screw that goes up into the fender. Now place the fender flare back and the fender liner. Make sure it's tucked in where it belongs. Let's put in all these screws. Now do the same to the other side. Don't forget to plug in the fog light bulbs. Last but not least, put back the mounting hardware underneath.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.